Hello everyone, welcome to Dante's Daily Diary. Hope you're having a great time. How's Niagara Falls after the solar eclipse? Kamusta itong Niagara Falls pagkatapos ng total solar eclipse? Ito na siya, oh. Whoa! Ang laki ng pagbabago. Not much people in here. Everything is 60% off, including hotels and everything. And it's totally very calm. Walang masyadong tao. Except for some tourists that are still in here. Konti lang tao ngayon. Restaurants are open, but there's no customers. Look. See that? See? Walang kumakain mga folks. See? They just open for the sake of just like opening, but no customers. Everyone is totally broke after the eclipse. Wow. Unbelievable. Okay mga folks, parking, look, it's only $5. See? But during the eclipse, it's about $30. Unbelievable. Hotels, totally empty. Wow. Look at that. See? Nada. Totally empty. Okay, let's check this Oasis Motel. That's Oasis Motel behind me. Tingnan natin kung merong tao, kung may mga customer sila. Wow, see? Totally empty. Look at that. That's it. Only the staffs are present in the hotel. So after the solar eclipse, after they rip off everyone, they're all empty right now. So yung mga tao, ubos ang pinagtupahan para lang makita nila yung eclipse. Pumunta sila rito, nagbayad ng napakalaki, doon ka na lang sa bahay. Total, ma-experience mo naman, magdidilim din naman yung lugar sa bahay mo eh. Okay, so yan ang naging problema rito sa mga tao rito sa Niagara. Totally, kailan kumayod na naman sila para may pampunta na naman sila rito. Okay, folks, ganun lang. Gaya nito mga folks, oh. Suisha Garden Restaurant, Japanese restaurant. So, hindi siya nagtagal, sarado na. Ayan, oh. Oh. You see that, folks? Oh. Wala na. Close na. Wala nang kumakain. That's it. So, ganun lang. Sarado na siya. Yan na yun. Oh. Oh. Wala na. Ito yung parking niya. Yun sa likod ko. That's their parking behind me. So it's closed. That's it. The restaurant is closed. Okay, so after the total eclipse, after the rip-off, everyone is broke. Look at that. Yung karaoke dun, the pizza place over there doesn't have any customers. And that Burger King roller coaster above, there, above me, behind me, wala ring tao. Yan ang problema. Pagkatapos ng solar eclipse, yung mga tao gumastos na napakalaki, wala na silang pera ngayon. Ubus ang mga pinagputsakahan. Dito sa Niagara Falls, meron din mga tao, mga pasaway. Kagaya nito, tuturo ko sa inyo. Yun o, nakita nyo. Yun o, nakita nyo. Tumawid siya dun sa bakod. Yun o, nasa likod ko yung tao. Tumawid siya sa bakod. Meketek yun. So, baka mamaya, sumpungin, bigla na lang tumalon. Pero yung bakod, the fence clearly tells us that it says danger. Okay folks, so doon sa mga hindi nakapanood ng video ng total eclipse, panoorin nyo to. Just to give you a review on the total eclipse that happened last April 8, 2024, watch this video. Alright folks. Okay folks, now it's about 2 p.m. and the eclipse is gonna occur between the hours of 2:04 p.m. and 3:18 p.m. So, ngayon nag-eclipse na siya, nagsisimula na kasi alas 2 na. Pero medyo makulimlim sa labas, hindi masyado makita. So, sinasabi nila ang susunod na eclipse ay mangyayari na naman sa 2144. So, the next solar eclipse is gonna happen in 2144. So, ewan ko kung aabutan ko pa yun. Okay folks, so we'll just capture this moment as much as possible because this is a once in a lifetime experience. So, i-capture na natin tong moment na to kasi once in a lifetime lang to, isang beses lang nangyayari to. I mean, nagkaroon ako ng experience sa eclipse noon sa Pilipinas. That was way back 1970 something. Pero ngayon, maganda yung eclipse niya kasi total eclipse. So, tingnan natin. This is now the eclipse that's happening. It's a total darkness, so this is it folks. See this, the moon is covering the sun and we don't want to switch the lights on because we want to experience how it looks like. Ito na yung eclipse folks sa Niagara Falls. Sobrang dilim. Ayokong buksan yung ilaw para makita nyo kung gaano kadilim. Na-trigger na yung mga sensor ng mga poste. Kaya umilaw na siya automatically yung mga poste. So, alas 4, it's about 3:15 p.m. Alas 3:15 pa lang. Pero ito na yung eclipse na total darkness. Look. Kakaiba to mga folks. Biglang dumilim. Ang dilim. Oh, look. Oh, ang dilim. Sobrang dilim. Wow. Pero, sobrang dilim sa bahay. Look. So, ito na yan. Ito na yung total eclipse. Wow. Okay, folks. So, nagliwanag na ulit. So, makikita nyo, unti-unti na naman nagliliwanag yung, namatay na yung mga, mamamatay na yung mga ilaw. Liliwanag na siya ulit. So, yun yung solar eclipse na nangyari. Ngayon, wow. Falls, USA. Then we're gonna go to Niagara Falls, Canada. Maganda dito mamasyal pag meron kayong ka-date, may kasama kayo. Kamukha ko, meron akong ka-date. Siyempre, masaya pag gano'n, di ba? Oh, yun, no? Yung ka-date ko, ayun. Naku, yun. Ayun. Oh, nakita nyo? So, gano'n lang talaga. Kailangan may ka-date kayo kasi kung nagsusolo kayo sa buhay, mahirap. Yeah. Okay. So, current temperature is about 14 degrees. It's a bit sunny right now. Time is about like 10:45 a.m. April 10, 2024. Post solar eclipse. Wow. And this is it, folks. Ooh. That's Niagara Falls after the eclipse. Walang tao masyado, no? Konti lang. Yeah, look. Yeah, but mind you, before the solar eclipse, people flock here. They're expecting at least about like 1 million people that came over here. I think they didn't reach their target kasi sobrang mahal. Yung mga hotel dito, nagcha-charge sila at least about like 1,000 a night just to witness the solar eclipse. But it's not worth it. So, rip-off talaga ang ginawa ng mga hotel dito. And meron pa kaming nababalitaan na yung iba nag-book ng hotel before the eclipse. Nung paparating na yung eclipse, kinancel ng hotel dahil gusto nila ipasok yung mga ibang nagbo-book na mas mahal. So, ganun katindi yung mga hotels dito. Pero now, it's just like very, very calm. You know, walang masyadong tao ngayon. See? So nakita nyo yon, yung cruise papunta sa Niagara Falls, galing dun sa falls, galing yan dun. Yeah, see, no passenger, it's just like an empty boat. Look at that, it came from Niagara Falls over there going to the US. Look, that's after the solar eclipse. Okay folks, if you're liking this video, please smash the subscribe button for me. Click the little bell icon and select all so you get notified of all my video uploads. And of course, don't forget to like and share the video. Also, if you have any comments, folks, please leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to respond. Alright folks? Journey behind the falls is empty. Look. Whoa. Walang tao sa likod ko. Look at that. See? Everyone is broke. Everyone just loves to stroll, but they don't want to spend money right now. And there you have it folks, my short video presentation after the total solar eclipse that happened April 8, 2024. Hope you like the video folks. Take care, stay safe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye.